Welcome to another beautiful Sun Outdoors location, you guys. We are in New Braunfels, Texas. I'm Brian Hawkins. Let's go take a look at one of these vacation rentals. So as you're walking up the porch, you're gonna notice that you have a ceiling fan outside because it does get nice and warm in Texas, and you gotta have a breeze all day, every day, especially throughout the summer. And then as you walk inside, one more ceiling fan just for good luck, and that's not even the last one, but one more ceiling fan. You're gonna notice a lot of real wood throughout this unit. Pine with a natural coat right over the top of that, and then you have knotty alder pine cabinets, real wood cabinets. Formica countertops with a double basin sink and full-size appliances. A lot of people like to stay in these for 2 or 3 days at a time, but there are also people that stay for 2 weeks at a time. So you gotta be able to do your dishes, cook a good home meal. If that includes warming it up in there, you can warm it. I mean, if you have pizza pockets, you do whatever you gotta do, right? Whatever that meal is for you. And then plenty of storage with a full-size fridge as well. Again, if you have 2 or 3 kids, I have 4. If you have plenty of kids, you gotta have a place for them to sit down and eat without killing each other. Having a table brings everybody together as a family. Don't forget that. Always eat together as a family. And then as you're walking a little further into this unit, you're gonna notice bunk beds, which is pretty rare in any type of vacation rental or tiny home. But you have twin beds up top and bottom, right next to the bathroom. They have their own storage and cabinets right here to your right. And then as you walk into the bathroom, it does have everything you need for water, power, sewer, stand-up shower, regular flushing toilet, nothing awkward when kids accidentally try to wet the bed in the middle of the night. Really easy access to get to the bathroom. Makes your job easy, so you can just walk in here as a parent, close the door. Hey, it's been real, kids. It's their own problem at that point, honestly. And then as you walk into the main level bedroom, all the way here in the back of the unit, full king size bed, which I genuinely appreciate having a real king size bed no matter where I sleep. If my wife was with me, even if she's not, I like to have room and spread out. It's just convenient for me. And then you have a full closet space. Anything you need to hang up all your clothes, extra bags. You have a place to put all your bags, your desk, your computer. Super important emails that I send standing up all day. This is the place to do it. You guys, this unit is awesome. It sleeps 6, real wood everywhere, full-size appliances. Let's go take a look at some of the other vacation rentals around the property. Welcome to another option here at this beautiful Sun Outdoors location in New Braunfels. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, so it will sleep at least 6. Realistically, you could sleep 8 with both those couches because they pull out. You have a queen-size bed, queen-size bed, queen-size bed in the first bedroom, and a king-size in the second bedroom. So fantastic options if you're gonna be here for a couple weeks at a time. Plenty of room for you and your family. So living room space, plenty of seating area, plenty of dining and eating area with the countertop bar right here. You can actually seat 6 just at the island alone. And then you have plenty of storage for a week or 2 weeks worth of food, everything you need in a full-size fridge, full-size appliances throughout that are black and nice and kind of sleek to look through when you have that combination of the real wood cabinets and the black appliances. But full-size fridge, range, microwave, dishwasher as well, double basin sink, and a lot of room to be able to walk through. So as your kids are running through, or your spouse, or whoever is running through this, assuming you're not in here by yourself, anybody else running through here, there's plenty of room to get through this to get what you need. You're not bumping into people as you're going through it. So it's a really nice sized unit. Again, whether you're here for a couple days or a couple weeks. Let's cruise down the hall and check out some of the bedrooms. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. So storage as you're coming through down the closets, but as you get into the first bedroom, real wood doors throughout, which is really nice touch, both for the bedroom doors and for the closet doors. But queen size bed, end table, sconces, plenty of storage for anything really you need for your bags, or if you really like to unpack while you're somewhere, you have that option here too. And then real wood doors for the closet. Hanging rods, plenty of storage for all your bags, no matter how big your bags are, what you travel with. Some people like to bring their house with them. You just never know what you're gonna get when you're going to a vacation rental. Now let's cruise down to the first bathroom here on the right. Full-size bathroom, everything that you need really. Stand-up shower, but toilet, sink, shower. I mean, what else do you really say about a bathroom? It's got everything you need there. But real wood doors throughout, which helps for a couple things, both privacy, especially in the middle of the night when you got kids running around sometimes, or some kids want to stay up super late playing stupid games or just watching TV. It's nice to have a real wood door to block out that kind of noise. But this bedroom, king size bed, Sconces on both sides, end tables on both sides, places that you can actually plug in your phones. Everything is there that you need for this. So it's a very convenient place to not only keep what you need for storage, but just kind of hang out and lounge. If you want to be away from whoever else you're staying here with, this is a place to do it. Then you have your own TV, your own private bathroom, which is probably the biggest deal, honestly, in any vacation rental. Now that we've taken a look at a couple of the models here at this location in New Braunfels, let's go check out some of the other things to do in town and in the surrounding area. Thanks for following us on this tour here in Hill Country. There are so many activities that you can do in the park and around the park. Obviously you can see we're here at the Alamo in San Antonio, which is only about 30 minutes from the park itself. But on site you have things like the store, you have a pizza parlor, you have a little ice cream shop inside the store as well. You have a couple of on-site pools, volleyball, basketball. You have a couple saunas on site as well. There are a lot of activities that are family friendly from your kids that are anywhere from 2 years old up to big kids like myself. There's always going to be something to do on site and within a short drive of Hill Country. Thanks for following us along on this episode of Sunny Spaces. I'm Brian Hawkins. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel here at Sun Outdoors. Follow us along to the next spot.